A question that I get asked a lot is, should I learn how to day trade or should I just learn how to invest? And it's important to point out, no matter which journey you choose, there's going to be a tad bit of a learning curve to it. Now, if you choose to take the investment route where you're going to invest, and when I say invest, it's not really like investing in businesses or anything like that. We're talking about investing in stocks, investing in cryptocurrency. You're going to learn certain things and it's the same thing that day traders learn, technical analysis and things like that. It's just that you're not putting a full implementation on the exact things that you learn day by day. When you make the choice to become a investor, you may just look at some financials, look at some charts on the longer term time frames just to give yourself an idea on, is this a asset or something that I am looking to put my money to? And if so, what is going to be my buy-in price and where am I looking for the market to go in order to take profits on this? That's one thing. Now, when you consider to become a day trader, right? You learn the same things that you need to learn in order to become a investor, but it's just a skill set that is just a tad bit more intricate because there are many different things that you will need to learn in order to become a day trader, and most certainly a profitable day trader, right? But it's going to take you more time, more months, and potentially more years to become more savvy at day trading as opposed to becoming a savvy investor that is profitable. One thing that I definitely, want to point out to you guys is that taking the investor route is definitely going to be a path that creates less of a learning curve for you, and you could also potentially find yourself in a position where you're in profit and you're making money in your journey just a tad bit quicker than someone who decided to take the day trading route. But the caveat, the kicker to it all is that it's my belief that the day traders, the people who decide to take this journey, make more money over time. And I'm going to explain why. When we consider day trading, depending on the different exchanges that we have the ability to use, most exchanges, when it comes to day trading, allows us to use leverage, which amplifies the amount of money that we're actually dealing with. When you choose to take the investment route, you don't really have leverage there. If you have a $10,000 to invest in a stock, that $10,000 is just going to be it. But when you take the day trading route, you now have the ability to say, hey, you know what? That same $10,000 I could have used to make a stock buy, I'll put it inside of my day trading account and let's say use 50x leverage, 100x leverage on the exchange to magnify the amount of money I'm using, which in return will make me more money. And also for the people who choose to take the day trading route, one thing that I also will definitely mention is that there are going to be more possibilities on this side. There are going to be more opportunities as well for you to make money as opposed to the investment route. Now, I've been pitching to you guys different things that makes taking the route of a day trader sound pretty good, but one thing that I will point out, and you have a lot of people that decide to take just the investment route just due to the fact of they may not want to or have the time to take the extra learning curve it's going to take in order for them to become a day trader. And then also, another thing that pops up is I'm looking to make money. I'm looking to make extra money, something to, pay some extra bills with. If you're a little bit older in life, you might just be potentially looking to make money to supplement the 401k, Roth IRA, whatever the case may be, by physically, investing in stocks yourself. So therefore, you never really have the desire or want inside of your journey to learn day trading just due to the fact of, day by day, year by year, the amount of time that you're going to need to dedicate into day trading is not something that you really want to do. So therefore, the investing side is actually what you want to be in, because now the caveat and great thing about just being a investor is I don't have to sit in front of my computer several hours a day analyzing charts and making trades. I don't have to, even look at my portfolio that often. It's something that I can just dedicate a couple hours every single month or even less to, put my money there, let it sit, and I'm off doing other things in life. So when we consider the two, day trading versus investing, one thing that I definitely also, will point out to you guys is that it's going to depend on you. You're going to want to have to make the decision on which one you're going to be based upon, the things that I have laid out for you guys. And once you come to that conclusion, that's what you're actually going to want to do. Because one thing that I definitely always say to people and recommend is that you shouldn't force pieces to the puzzle that actually shouldn't be there. And I'm going to actually leave that here, because the reality of things is that I find that you have many people in life that it might have not meant for them to be a day trader, but just due to the fact of them knowing that they can make more money becoming a day trader, they'll force those pieces to the puzzle when they should have just stuck on the investor side of things. So Money Making Joe, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Leave this video a comment. Let me know what you guys think down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys have found value from it, and get subscribed to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.